let's learn the basic strokes of brush calligraphy with me. My favorites are Agile Little Artists, which you can find in general stationery, and Tombow. Hold your brush pen at 45-degree angle to get the best results. We begin with the full pressure stroke, coming downward, thin stroke, which is upward with no pressure. The next is underturn, which is pressure, and as you go upward, there's no pressure. The next is overturn. You start off with upward stroke and slowly come downward with full pressure. Ovals are quite important, hence we start off with thin, press, and as you go upward, no pressure. Repeating the same but the reverse side, starting off with the thin stroke, pressure, and then touch back with the thin stroke. Alongside the basic strokes, practice these drills to increase and improve the flexibility and also to understand the pressure techniques of a brush tip. Remember to practice daily to achieve best results. You can practice various drills too. Remember, more practice, better the results. Bye-bye.